All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Trash talk! Alright guys, we're gonna jump straight into it. This is how I get glass skin. These are some tips to help you get glowy skin and just the overall good skin and skin that you need to have for your lifestyle. So it doesn't have to be 50-step process. It doesn't have to be so many products. What I'm showing you now are the cleansers that I like to use. These are some of the tools that I use to help me get good skin, and I think these will help you guys out. I'll also drop some beginner skincare guides and tips that I think would help build a better skincare routine for you. Basically, I feel like you need a simple cleanser, a hydrating serum, a moisturizer, and sunscreen. Those are like the most important topics and ingredients and items that you'll need to build a great skincare routine for yourself. And it's really about the routine. It doesn't have to be crazy. It can be simply basic, as long as it works for you. Okay. I also like to mention that it's not about what you put on top of your skin, it's about what you consume as well. So eating healthier foods helps. Tomatoes, because they have lycopene, antioxidants. You want to try your best to eat as clean as possible, so that way your skin can glow not just from the outside but also from the inside. We need that strong, beautiful skin to glow from within as well. So eating stuff as, again, tomatoes, walnuts, avocados, items that are high in minerals, vitamins, and omega-3s. Those are going to be items that help tighten your skin and make it subtle and make it just appear clearer. Of course, everyone's favorite thing to say is the magic of water. Yes, water is something that is going to help. It's going to help your skin get that nice luminous glow from within. Hydrating yourself, drinking liters of water a day will give you that glowy skin. It helps flushes out your skin, the impurities, and leaves, your skin wanting to develop more new skin cells, thriving for better skin, and just overall cleansing internally. Before we move into exfoliating, what you see in the video, I want to also talk about using water. I like to use lukewarm water or cold water to rinse my skin after cleansing, especially when it goes on to exfoliating, because you don't want to be too harsh on your skin. You don't want to damage your skin barrier. I personally prefer chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs over face scrub because they're too aggressive. However, in the process, you want to find something that works for you without damaging the skin, or you can use an ice treatment. You can use BHAs to clear your skin. I like to use the Paula Choice BHA just because it helps. Obviously, you have to follow up with a protective barrier as well, so sunscreen is going to be important, or using something that's going to protect your skin. Even as you can see now, I'm washing my face with this rag. I'm making sure I'm being gentle. You don't want to be too harsh because pulling and tugging on your skin can definitely damage your skin. You need your skin to be as pretty and as soft as possible, so you have to be as well. Just be gentle, nothing too harsh, nothing too crazy. And yeah, as you can see in the video, I'm using my Topicals Hyrilla Ingrown Hair Tonic with AHA BHAs. I love this product because it is a lightweight reparative serum. It's for your face, your armpits, your bikini area to help soothe, calm, and just comfort irritated areas of your skin. It's going to help discourage the formation of visible bumps and ingrown hairs, and it's good for all skin types. It's going to help with those dark spots and uneven texture. This is my favorite product, the Paula's Choice. I know you guys have been seeing it all over TikTok and Instagram. It's just really good. It is a liquid gold if you wanted me to put it into a category. I love it. It's literally called a skin perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, and it does exactly what it says. It's a daily liquid exfoliant. It's not too harsh. I would say use it very, very carefully at first, just so that way you can see if it works on your skin. But it definitely has great ingredients: salicylic acid that helps exfoliate away the dead skin, help unclog your pores, and it just visibly smooths wrinkles, and it happens practically overnight. This is me giving you guys another option. I have these wipes, and I really like them because I can get into the crevices. As you can see with my nose, I don't have to be too, well, I am actually apprehensive with using it around my piercings just because I'm scared of it's going to outbreak. See, I'm showing you guys 2 vitamin C options that I like using. I love the Youth to the People one. It's a 15% vitamin C and caffeine energy brightening serum to help with uneven skin tone. It helps brighten your skin. It helps even the skin tone. It helps reduce hyperpigmentation, and it helps prevent against those like signs of aging. Anti-aging is definitely something you want to start early, just because you don't want to wait too late in life when you start seeing people with those dangly necks or wrinkled fingers or hands. But I like it because it's lightweight, it's non-sticky, it's great for acne prone or sensitive skin, and if you wear makeup, it layers well under it. This is the Viral Coast RX Snail Mucin Essence. Now I love this. It's lightweight, it's quick absorbent, it is kind of slimy, but it's dedicated to help improve skin tone and texture. It is infused with 96% snail secretion, so that's what makes it probably sticky, but it definitely helps with hydrating, revitalizing skin, especially if it's damaged, and help prevents with anti-aging. It's super viral, so it's probably hard to get your hands on, but it is amazing. So go ahead and treat yourself with it. Look at that, flawless, glowy, popping. Next, we have 2 moisturizing water creams. I really love the Naturium Marine Hyaluronic Acid Water Cream. It's just amazing. It has really good ingredients in there to help provide the skin with a burst of hydration. It's refreshing. It's a lightweight water cream. It drenches your skin in hydration. Obviously, it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. And I like gel creams just because they're cooling, they're relaxing. This one personally works well for me. It is a gel cream that has hyaluronic acid, seawater, antioxidants to help moisturize and nourish the skin. And it's simple. All you have to do is just put it on in an upward motion as you've seen, and then rub it on your face, neck, chest, hands, everywhere. This item is one of my newest favorites. It is the Dew Glow Moisturizer SPF 50. It helps your skin look radiant and just nice. It also has like a cool cap feature that helps you measure out the right amount of sunscreen to apply. But if you want a radiant finish, a dewy finish, and something that's going to help protect your skin with SPF 50, this is going to be the product for you. Flawless, just literally flawless. I'm speechless, period. Look at that skin. You better go, boy. Rub it on your neck and your hands too. In here, I'm just using a lip balm. I personally like these. I ordered a few from Naturium. You can use any lip balm you like. I personally think that you should keep your skincare routine simple. Use a simple cleanser, a retinol, a moisturizer, any type of repairing serums that you may need, and finish off with a lip balm, and just basically have a routine that works for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted this video to be short, simple, and cute, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just filmed a skincare video, kind of like what I'm currently using to get like nice, like smooth glass skin. So I will say this is kind of like my glass skin tutorial, except I didn't do my vampire facial, which is the red blood facial. Well, I always call it red blood, but it is the AHA BHA facial from The Ordinary, and I also do the salicylic mask, but I ain't do all that today. I still much pretty got a good glass skin tutorial, so these are the products that I'm currently using to achieve this nice, right now, fresh and wet matte, fresh and wet base. But it's super smooth, it's super nice, super clean, super glassy, like, you know, that wet look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and you already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and welcome to Trash Talk Nation. And let me know what products you guys are using in the comments. I really would love to hear what works for you, your sunscreens, your toners, your essences, any vitamin C recommendations. Like, I want to hear it all. This goes both ways. You know, we in a relationship. Time for me to go. See ya.